Hi, I'm Brad with Festool Canada. We're here in Abbotsford, British Columbia with Joel and his team at Paradigm Painting. They've been using Festool for a little over a year now, and we're here to see how it's worked out for them so far.
So we got onto Festool, I'm going to say about 18 months ago, and we started with the RTS 400. We were just looking for a way to improve our trim because we're just trying to grow and get better every day, and these were highly recommended as something that could take us to the next level. So we started using that. We noticed a difference right away, on the first thing. It wasn't a question of whether or not we were going to get these anymore. It was just like, how many do we need? And from there, we've just been investigating now the PLANEX, and after one use from anybody put their hands on it, it's like, oh my goodness, right? The biggest thing from this probably would be the level of finish. So now our walls are at a different level, which was a huge benefit. It changed everything for us.
Joel, thanks for your time. Thank you for supporting Festool. Everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on another job site here in Canada.